Dogecoin value equivalent to $0.669 a coin. The present exchanged cost range $1.63-$725. The earlier day close $649. The change was plus 121%. Converse rate US to DOS. Dollar to Dogecoin gauge for June 2024. In the first place, cost at 2326 coins. Exorbitant cost 2857, while low 2326. The found the middle value of cost 2535. The US to Doge gauge toward the month's end 2632. Change for June 13.2%. US to Doge expectation for July 2024. Before all else, cost at 2632 coins. Excessive cost 2632, while low 2273. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2494. The US to Doge conjecture toward the month's end 2439. Change for July 7.3%. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture for August 2024. Before all else, cost at 24039 coins. Excessive cost 24039, while low 1961. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2231. The US to Doge conjecture toward the month's end 2.83. Change for August 14.6%. US to Doge expectation for September 2024. Initially cost at 2.83 coins. Excessive cost 2.83, while low 1,754. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 19852. The US to Doge figure toward the month's end 1,887. Change for September 9.4%. Dollar to Dogecoin figure for October 2024. Initially cost at 1,887 coins. Excessive cost 2.41, while low 1,754. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1,892. The US to Doge conjecture toward the month's end 1,887. Change for October 0%. US to Doge expectation for November 2024. At the outset, cost at 1,887 coins. Excessive cost 1,961, while low 1,695. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1,8840. The US to Doge conjecture toward the month's end 1,1818. Change for November 3.7%. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture for December 2024. At the outset, cost at 1,1818 coins. Exorbitant cost 1,1818, while low 1,471. The found the middle value of cost 1,668. The US to Doge gauge toward the month's end 1,563. Change for December 14%. In the first place, cost at 1,563 coins. Exorbitant cost 1,667, while low 1,429. The found the middle value of cost 1,549. The US to Doge gauge toward the month's end 1,538. Change for January 1.6%. Dollar to Dogecoin estimate for February 2025. To start with, cost at 1,538 coins. Exorbitant cost 1,613, while low 1,389. The found the middle value of cost 1,508. The US to Doge estimate toward the month's end 1,493. Change for February 2.9%. US to Doge expectation for Walk 2025. To start with, cost at 1,493 coins. Exorbitant cost 1,563, while low 1,351. The found the middle value of cost 1,464. The US to Doge figure toward the month's end 1,4049. Change for spring 2.9%. Dollar to Dogecoin figure for April 2025. Initially cost at 1,4049 coins. Excessive cost 1,538, while low 1,333. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1,437. The US to Doge figure toward the month's end 1,429. Change for April 1.4%. US to Doge expectation for May 2025. At the outset, cost at 1,429 coins. Excessive cost 1,471, while low 1,282. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1,388. The US to Doge conjecture toward the month's end 1,370. Change for May 4.1%. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture for June 2025. At the outset, cost at 1,370 coins. Excessive cost 1,370, while low 1,099. The found the middle value of cost 1,254. The US to Doge gauge toward the month's end 1,176. Change for June 14.2%. US to Doge expectation for July 2025. In the first place, cost at 1,176 coins. Exorbitant cost 1,220, while low 1,064. The found the middle value of cost 1,149. The US to Doge gauge toward the month's end 136, change for July 34%. Dollar to Dogecoin gauge for August 2025. To start with, cost at 136 coins. Exorbitant cost 1449, while low 136. They found the middle value of cost 1268. The US to Doge estimate toward the month's end 1351, change for August 18.9%. US to Doge expectation for September 2025. To start with, cost at 1351 coins. Exorbitant cost 1351, while low 187. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1238. The US to Doge figure toward the month's end 163, change for September 13.9%. Dollar to Dogecoin figure for October 2025. Initially cost at 163 coins. Excessive cost 1250, while low 187. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 166. The US to Doge figure toward the month's end 163, change for October 0%. US to Doge expectation for November 2025. To start with, cost at 163 coins. Excessive cost 1389, while low 163. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1254. The US to Doge figure toward the month's end 1299, change for November 11.7%. Dollar to Dogecoin figure for December 2025. Initially cost at 1299 coins. Excessive cost 1370, while low 1176. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1278. The US to Doge figure toward the month's end 1266, change for December 25%. US to Doge expectation for January 2026. To start with, cost at 1266 coins. Exorbitant cost 1639, while low 1266. They found the middle value of cost 1422. The US to Doge figure toward the month's end 1515, change for January 19.7%. Dollar to Dogecoin figure for February 2026. Initially cost at 1515 coins. Excessive cost 1961, while low 1515. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1702. The US to Doge figure toward the month's end 1818, change for February 20%. US to Doge expectation for Walk 2026. In the first place, cost at 1818 coins. Exorbitant cost 2128, while low 1818. They found the middle value of cost 19931. The US to Doge gauge toward the month's end 19861, change for spring 79%. Dollar to Dogecoin gauge for April 2026. In the first place, cost at 1961 coins. Exorbitant cost 2041, while low 1754. They found the middle value of cost 1911. The US to Doge